Margarita here, and today's F word is fragrance, but not just any fragrance. Fragranced shower products from L'Occitane.
This is a journey into sound. A journey which along the way will bring to you new color, new dimension, new value.
So for those of you who may not know, L'Occitane is a lovely French specialty house that does a lot of skincare and fragrance products. Now, I used to wear a cherry scent they had quite a while ago, and I haven't really been back in the store since. There's not too many in my area. I'm in Chicago, but they used to have more stores, and now they're limited to a couple in the suburbs that I'm aware of. So I was at Oakbrook Mall earlier this week, and I stopped in because I had kept hearing about this shower oil they have. I've heard lots of reviewers talk about seeing praises of the shower oil, and I'm like, okay, let me give it a try. So I actually did, and I ended up coming home with it. This is it here. I believe it's $25, and I must admit that it is everything that it's cracked up to be. I did a demonstration in the store. They have a sink there where you can actually try the product out, and it just goes on so smooth and it lathers well. But it's really not like a bubbly, soapy lather. It's just like a creamy, oily lather. It's lightly scented. And if you like to layer your scents, I definitely recommend starting with the oil, because not only that, your skin will be moisturized after just using the soap. And they were kind enough to give me a couple of samples also. Now, I also did try some of these in store afterwards. So that's why they're not open now. They gave me these to take with. But this is one that's the same scent, and it's almond. Now, I love almond, almond, almond. If you're not familiar with how the almond scent is in fragrances, it's very similar to a cherry. So if you like cherry scented things, you will love almonds. So this is a skin oil that you can put on top of that after you've rinsed off the soap or the shower oil. And if you need more, they have a concentrate de lait. I know I messed that up. I tried to pronounce it the French way, but it's without the accent. It's a concentrate de lait. And I'm assuming it's some type of milk concentrate. And this is something that is a body moisturizer as well. Now, the products at L'Occitane, I must admit, are very luxurious feeling. There's no weird greasiness, no residue that just sits on top of your skin. The products are very well made, and the staff in the store was wonderful. I'm going to put a little bit of footage I took in there in this video, but I had a great experience. So the staff at the Oakbrook Mall, L'Occitane, thank you so much. I am very pleased with my purchase. I like to catch the malls when they're just opening up so I can beat the crowds. It's nice and peaceful out here. Now, the reason I came all the way out here is I'm looking for Fabletics. I'm looking for some new workout clothes. They've got a Lululemon store here, but I'm pretty familiar with Lululemon already. I want to try something new. I've heard good things about the Fabletics brand. Just wandering around this store, it's like a labyrinth. I mean, the mall, I can't seem to find the store. I look at the directory, and those further confuse me. Anybody else get further confused by either reading an instruction manual or looking at a directory? Meanwhile, it's a beautiful day and not too many people at the mall yet, so I'm at least enjoying the walk and getting my steps in. And I had to make a detour at L'Occitane. I've heard good things about their shower oil, so I'm going to grab some and see what it's all about.
I have a tester at the sink so you can wash your hands with it and try.
Oh, I would love to. They have the shower oil in stock. I'm so happy.
Oh yeah. This is one of our best-selling products, so we always have it right here.
Oh, perfect. They even have a sink where you can test
the pedal here is for water.
Perfect. I think I'm going to start with the smaller size.
Okay.
Which one is that one? This one here?
This one,
yeah, I'll take one of those. And you have fragrances as well, don't you?
Yes.
Do you still carry fragrances?
Here. What kind of scent do you like?
Anything that smells like food, nothing that smells like flowers. So I love more gourmand scents.
Perfect.
It's a beautiful
so this
selection.
is the Raleigh and Orchid.
Okay.
Intense.
These lovely ladies in L'Occitane just showed me something that just blew my mind. Oh my goodness. The Eau de Beau. It's marketed for men, but you know fragrances are unisex, and I love it. So between that and the Neroli Orchid, I am torn. I am torn. This always happens. I came out here for one thing. One thing I said. Meanwhile, I got bags in my hand, and there's like 3 bags in here. Bags in the shoulder. But I'm pleased with everything that I got. sad part is I'm not done. Not done.
This is a journey into sound.